Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about how to get rid of constipation totally from the body. We'll all have suffered constipation once in a while, but then do you know exactly what to do when you have constipation? Right now, come with me into my world and let me tell you what constipation is, what to do and how to do it. How to get rid of constipation totally from our body system. Now let's ask ourselves, what really are the symptoms of constipation? Because once in a while we all suffer from it. Stools become hard, dry and infrequent. It becomes difficult to actually have a bowel movement. Other symptoms of constipation might include abdominal discomfort, lack of energy, dull headache, poor appetite, and low back pain. The bowels should move daily after each meal. When this does not happen, it actually causes for concern because waste material moves too slowly through the large bowel. This makes elimination to become painful and toxins are reabsorbed by the system. This places an overload on the liver and the kidneys. Note this, all waste material in the body are supposed to be expelled within 18 to 24 hours. A number of different physical problems partially arises which are caused by constipation, such among many include 1. Having bad breath, 1. Having body odor, suffering from depression, suffering from appendicitis, even fatigue. Other physical problems may be gas, headaches, anemia, indigestion, the malabsorption syndrome, varicose veins, obesity, insomnia, and the coated tongue. Toxins are reabsorbed from the constipated bowel can also result in migraines, chronic gas, and the bloating thyroid problems, and also meningitis. Most often, pregnant women also suffer from constipation. Older people likewise often have constipation because they are not taking in enough water into the system. People who have suffered from spinal injuries may have problems with constipation due to damage to certain nerves. Now let's ask ourselves, how do we treat or get rid of constipation totally from our system when we suffer from one? We should and must include enough fiber in our diet each day. We must drink enough water. As soon as you awake, start drinking warm water, a little at a time. By the time you are ready for breakfast, you should have at least taken a quart. Get enough exercise. When you do your exercise outdoors, you get enough fresh air which is needed by the body system when you have constipation. Avoid dairy foods, soft drinks, white flour, salt, coffee, alcohol, highly processed foods, sugary foods, iron supplements, painkillers, antidepressants. All these cause constipation. All the decongestants and antihistamines are drying agents and may cause the stool to become drier than it should. eat prunes or figs. Flaxseed meal, best freshly ground, is helpful, but with soft and soul. Psyllium seed is also good, but take it quickly with a glass full of water. There's always a possibility that if constipation occurs too frequently, that cancer or some other obstruction of the bowel may be involved.